Most people don't fail at 50 push-ups because they're weak. They fail because they burn out too early. They start fast. They rush the first 20. They feel strong, confident, and then it hits. Their arms fill with acid. Their chest feels heavy. Their breathing turns chaotic. By 30, every rep feels like a fight. By 40, their form breaks. By 45, they collapse. Not because their muscles are done, but because their strategy was wrong from the first rep. If you want to do 50 push-ups in one set, you have to stop treating push-ups like a sprint. It's endurance, it's pacing, it's control. The people who hit 50 don't look explosive, they look calm. The difference starts before the first rep. You drop to the floor, but instead of rushing, you set your body. Your hands press firmly into the ground. Your fingers spread slightly. Your shoulders stack naturally. Your body forms a straight line, not forced, not overflexed. Then you breathe. Not a quick breath, a controlled one, because breathing decides how long you last. Most people hold their breath without realizing. That creates pressure. That burns energy fast. Strong push-up performers breathe like runners, rhythmic, controlled. You go down, inhale slightly. You push up, exhale softly. Nothing dramatic, nothing loud, just a rhythm. Then comes the first 10 reps. This is where most people make their biggest mistake. They go too fast. They try to get ahead. They chase numbers. But endurance doesn't reward speed. It rewards conservation. Your first 10 should feel almost easy, like a warm-up, like you're holding back. Because you are. The next 10 reps are still controlled, still smooth. Your elbows don't flare wildly. Your body doesn't snake upward. Every rep looks the same. Consistency saves energy. Around 25, your body starts talking. Your muscles warm. Your breathing gets heavier. This is the checkpoint. Most people panic here. They feel fatigue and speed up. That's the trap. Speed burns you out. Control carries you forward. You shorten your range just slightly. Not cheating, just removing unnecessary depth that drains energy. You keep tension in your core. A loose core wastes strength. Your legs stay engaged. Yes, legs matter in push-ups. A tight lower body reduces load on your arms. A loose lower body dumps weight into your chest. By 30, fatigue is real. But this is where mental pacing matters. You stop thinking about 50. You think about 5 clean reps. Then another 5. Breaking the goal keeps your mind calm. Your face stays relaxed. Tension in the face equals tension in the body. Tension wastes energy. 40 arrives quietly. Your arms burn. Your chest feels full. But your form is still there, because you didn't rush the start. Now it's about efficiency. You push straight up, not forward, not backward. A direct path saves strength. Your hands grip the floor like you're trying to twist it apart. That activates more muscle. More muscle sharing the load means less fatigue per muscle. 45 feels heavy. This is where most people quit. Not because they're done, but because the burn feels loud. But the burn is just a signal, not a stop sign. You slow down, 1 rep at a time. You breathe between reps if needed. A tiny pause at the top is allowed. Not resting, resetting. Your body can handle more than your panic suggests. 48, 49. Now it's a conversation between your mind and your discipline. 1 more rep isn't about strength. It's about decision. You push, 50, and then something surprising happens. You realize you might have had 1 or 2 more. That's the secret. People who reach 50 don't empty the tank early. They manage it. But getting there doesn't start on the day you try. It starts in training. If your max is 20, you don't train by always hitting 20. You train sub-max, sets of 10, sets of 12, repeated with good form. You build capacity without burning out. Your muscles learn endurance. Your nervous system learns efficiency. You also stop testing yourself every day. Testing isn't training. Training builds. Testing measures. Strong push-up performers respect recovery. Muscles grow between sessions. Daily max outs, slow progress. Another hidden key is body weight. Push-ups move your body, not a barbell. The stronger you are relative to your weight, the easier high reps become. That doesn't mean getting lighter. It means getting stronger. Core strength matters more than people think. A weak core leaks energy. A strong core transfers force. Grip matters too. Pressing through the palms actively recruits more muscle. Even mindset matters. People who believe 50 is possible train differently. They pace differently. They don't panic at fatigue. They expect discomfort. And expectation changes performance. 50 push-ups isn't superhuman. It's skill plus endurance. Skill in form, endurance in muscle, calmness in mind. When all three align, 50 becomes reachable, then repeatable. And once it's repeatable, it stops being a barrier and starts being your baseline. That's how people cross 50 in one set. Not by going harder, but by going smarter.